All right, so let's add some texture here. We've got this rough texture, so we're going to do the kind of really kind of interesting way of adding texture. So I'm selecting all by hitting Command A, Command C to copy. Black and white images work nice, but you can use other ones. And then we're going to go back to our project. Now we need to add this texture just where the skin is. And luckily, we've already made that selection with the color balance, so we can just Command click on the mask itself. And now that we've got it selected, we've selected the area where we want that texture to occur. We can then go into Edit, Paste Special, and Paste Into. And there it is. I'm just going to use key to kind of increase the size of this so it's kind of spreading across everything. All right. This is really kind of looking, but if we click that, we'll kind of get that. Now, we need to actually, we don't want it to look like this because this is a little bit too much. But if we go into our blending styles or our layer styles and choose something like multiply, you can see now we're getting some of that coming back. And then if I go in and reduce my opacity there, if we bring it down pretty low, we still get a little bit of that weird texture, but it just feels like it's a little bit more organic within the piece there. All right, let's add a real background. So let's do that next. Just kind of finish it off with the next piece.